here are refactoring, making our code cleaner and more readable. So let's see different ways to refactor your widgets in Flutter. So first of all, not refactoring at all. It's a bad approach, but sometimes it also be useful. And see if there are any other ways to do it. The first and foremost approach is by using widget composition. What does it mean? So we create a widget that we create a function that returns a widget. We'll pass our data in here. In this case, the text and the color. So we'll return a text from here. We'll pass the text and the color inside our text tag. Yeah, that's it. That's all we need to do. And just simply call and widget from here. Yeah, both of these works exactly as this. Here we just need to pass in the color text and the color only. Yeah, that's the method. And what are the different ways? So the next way is, this is most common and most of us would be used, like let's comment for others this, and here we'll be creating a custom widget called custom text. We'll be passing the string as a positional argument and the color as a parameter, named parameter. So let's create that function. Yeah, this is the class, and here we'll be having two fields, text and color. Text is a positional and the color is a required named. Then we'll simply pass that inside the build method. That's as it is. This is most commonly everyone uses this method. So what is the next one? So similarly, the next one is similar to widget refactoring. Instead of extending stateless widget, we can extend the text itself and simply just now we don't need this all and we don't need this return, and instead of calling test, we can simply call this as super, and we can't put it as this. Now we also need to make this type here, this is string, but here we don't have to pass in the text. Instead we can neglect it and use this super dot data. What the super dot data will be do is, the super dot data will be assigned into the text data field, that is wherever the string is coming. Here, this is super dot data. Then we will be getting our color here. So what is the type? Color. Then simply we will be passing that color into this text tag. So let's I think we don't need keys here, so it makes a little bit clearer. So basically this is it. This one, by this we will be having only less number of code to write, and it will be more easier if we have only one widget to modify. We don't have to make any changes here because both work as same as it is. Now, is there any other approaches? Yeah, there is. Let's comment this on out and comment this one also. And there is, we can simply call by using a for in loop. How? So here what we'll be making a First of all, we need data. What is a data here? A data is just a simple class that, or simple model class that having a text and a color. We'll be getting those text and color in the constructors. That's all. Then we'll be having a list with all these items. So text data, color data. So whenever we need to add new item, just simply call this text data here and passing the text, blah blah blah, and passing the colors dot let's black right away. That's all we need to do. And what this one will be doing is it will iterate through this list, and each of the time the data will be the each list item. Then we'll be having a text. Inside this text we'll be having the first value as data.text. That means whatever values are here, and the color will be passed into the color of the text line right away. Now to work, if this need to work, we need to add these 3 dots. Otherwise it not work, because this is called a spread operator, right? So yeah, that's all it is. So hope you guys understood this. If there anything further to discuss, feel free to comment it out in this video. So yeah, thank you very much, and hope let's see.